Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn composition. The first exercise in composition is comprehension. All of you may think, why comprehension is given as the first exercise in your composition? Well, imagine if you don't know to make out words and understand the text what is given to you. How can you be effective in other skills? Skills? Yes. What are they? You may be asking. There are 4 skills in English language: listening, speaking, reading and writing. They go hand in hand, and that is the reason why we emphasize more on the reading skill. Reading maketh a man. The more you read, the more you gain knowledge, which is the key to success in life. In order to bring out the reading and the writing skills, comprehension plays a vital role. That is the reason why comprehension is given more importance. Comprehension can be of 2 types, that is, poetry and prose. From the word poetry, you could guess that it is based on poems. Prose is in the form of passage, sometimes extended into multiple passages, that is, 2 or 3 passages put together. Today, I am going to teach you prose comprehension. I think by this time, all of you would have become familiar in knowing what is a prose comprehension. As said before, a prose comprehension is nothing but a passage is given and a few questions related to it will be asked. First, let's learn the strategies to be followed while comprehending a passage. Number 1. Skim or skimming. What does skimming mean? That is, when the passage is given to you, have a quick reading of the passage so that you could get the main theme or the message what is conveyed in the passage. So when you skim and you read, that is, the quick reading enables you to understand the context of the passage. The second point is scan or scanning. You can scan for specific details such as the problems, the solutions for the problems, and also the answer to the WH questions. What are these WH questions, you may be thinking? Who, what, when, where, how and why. So check out the answers for these questions in the passage. When you condense the essential information, then it will be easier for you to answer the questions. The third step is analyze. To analyze is to know what is true and not true so that you can differentiate between them and read between the lines. The fourth step is expand your vocabulary. How to expand your vocabulary? As said earlier, reading is the key to success. So when you are reading any passage, see that you have a dictionary in your hand. When you come across any hard words or difficult words, you refer a dictionary and find the meanings, which will help you to improve your reading skill and comprehensive skill. Questions pertaining to synonyms and antonyms will no longer be a challenge for you. The last step is PQ or QP, which means passage question approach or question passage approach. In comprehending a passage, there are 2 types. One is passage question approach, which means you read the passage first and then answer to the questions. The second one is you first read the questions and then go for the passage. Children, the question pattern type will be easy for you when you are answering any examination. Let's see an example. Here is a passage. Before we could start, first let's recap what we have learnt. The first step is read the entire passage. Search for the WH questions. Analyze the essential things needed to be answered. Vocabulary questions to be attended at the end. Let's answer the questions. Which is the most polluted river in India? The Ganga is the most polluted river in India. Whom does the river Ganga supports? It supports millions of people who live in towns, cities and villages along its course. From where does the river Ganga flow? It flows from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. What is the most polluted stretches about Ganga? One of the most polluted stretches is that 6 million devotees come each year to bathe in the holy river. Give the antonym for conserve from the passage. The antonym for conserve is waste. Assignment: read the given paragraph and answer the questions given below. That's all, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.